At Dasan Round World School, excellence is not a coincidence, it's a commitment. Welcome to DBS News, where we share the stories that define not just our calendar but our character.
I am Prisha.
And I am Niyati. In this edition, we are revisiting the highlights of May, a month full of purpose, participation, and the unmistakable Brownian spirit.
Let's begin the Brownian way. Top stories begin. Helping Hand honored. Helpers Day heartbeat.
Rising Star finale, brilliance beyond boundaries.
Potterhead unite. Magic in the air.
Laugh out loud with laughter yoga. Healing through happiness. Love in letters, Mother's Day celebration.
CBSE champions. Result that rod.
Shark Tank showcase, innovation takes the stage. TED Talks inspire others.
Gifting smile. खुशियों का कारवां.
Cambridge Law, Hawaiian fun in the sun.
We begin the month of May on the note of gratitude. Labour's Day was celebrated on May 1st. A heartfelt recognition to the people who form the backbone of a school with the music, performance and warm words. It was a moment to say thank you where it counts.
And from gratitude to greatness. The same day, the Rising Star Grand Finale lit up the stage. Students from grade 5th to 7th dazzled with dance, song, poetry and magic. The message? Talent is not meant to be hidden, it's meant to shine.
The magic didn't end here. On May 2nd, the world of Hogwarts came alive in the corridors of grade 6. Celebrated Harry Potter's Day. From spell and trivia to the stories and sorting hats, it was literally imagination at its best.
And then came the much needed dose of wellness. On May 4th, laughter yoga turned stress on its head. Teachers and students shared not just giggles but genuine joy. A reminder that health is holistic and happiness is contagious. Sometimes the most meaningful gifts are written and not bought. By May 11th, emotions flowed from the heart to the page. On this Mother's Day, students from grade 3rd to 12th wrote letters, sincere, touching and timeless.
Mid-May came with celebration and applause. The CBSE result were declared and DBS students once again raised the bars. Grade 10th toppers Niyati Goyal and Yuvraj Ranbula 98.6%. Grade 12 district topper Vaishnavi 97.4%. Now the stream toppers. Medical Jasmeen Kaur 95%. Non-medical Madhav Agarwal with 95%. Banking and insurance Soumya Khera 95%. FMM Navdeep Vij 93%. Commerce Shubdeep Kaur 97.2%.
These weren't just the scores. They were stories of focus, resilience and rising to the occasion. Truly, the proof was in the percentage.
Next come business with the twist of brilliance. On May 17th, DBS Shark Tank showcased entrepreneurial spirit of grade 11 and 12 students. From eco startups to digital platforms, the pitches were bold, creative and surprisingly marketing ready.
And May 22nd was twice as meaningful. Vihan Batra advanced to the state level of the Inspire Award, a significant recognition of the scientific promise.
The same day, the grade 11 student took center stage with the TED Talk. Their theme? Fail Forward, How Failure Can Fuel Growth. Their delivery? Courageous, candid and compelling. A masterclass is the power of perspective.
If May had a heartbeat, it echoed the loudest on the May 24th. Khushiyon ka Karwan, the Karwan of joy, was more than just a visit. It was a lesson of empathy. Students from grade 11th and 12th stepped into an old age home, not as performers but as companions. They brought food, essentials and heartfelt conversations.
And what they received in return was priceless. Stories, blessings, quiet joy of being present. No applause, no audience. Just kindness exchanged freely. Because true leadership, as they learned, often begin in silent room and small gestures.
And to close the month, a celebration with tropical vibes. On May 27th, the Cambridge Wing hosted a Hawaiian festivity, complete with limbo and laughter. Learning took a joyful bow as students stepped into summer with sunshine in their hearts.
As the curtain closes on the May, one thing is clear. Education at DBS goes far beyond academics. It nurtures both head and the heart in equal measures.
Whether it's a mark on a test or a moment of service, every step we take adds to the legacy we build together. This month was the proof that when learning meets purpose, extraordinary things happen. Thank you for being with us on DBS News. Until next time, keep growing, keep excelling.